Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another video over here, and today I'm going to share with you a way how you can actually make money online using and searching Google. Alright, there's a website that is actually going to pay you to do that. Alright, I've just recently found it out and I wanted to share it with you so you can actually make some extra money as well. Now guys, if you are new to this channel is all about making money online in different ways, mainly through affiliate marketing. So if this is something that you're interested in, consider subscribing. And if you will like this video at the end and you will find some valuable information, give me thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm so we can spread the information to as many people as we possibly can. Alright guys, now guys, before we get into it, if you are interested in how I make money online with affiliate marketing on a daily basis, then I have a free video where I explain it in great detail. If you want to see that, just click the link in the description below and you will get it completely for free. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright, I'm super excited, so let's get into it. So the website that we are going to actually use is called MindZumo. Alright, it's mindzumo.com, and this website is actually going to pay you for solving some kind of problems. Alright, now before we get into all of that, alright, I want to share with you the brands and show you exactly why or how it actually is a legitimate website. Alright, I want to prove it to you that it is a legitimate website and you are going to be paid to do this. Alright, so don't go away, don't run away from this video, just stick with me. I'm going to show you exactly, because here are, as you can see on the screen, here are the top brands that they are working with. Alright, and I bet that you can recognize most of them. Alright, it's Pepsi, Microsoft, American Express, Coca-Cola, Nestle, Spotify, IBM, AIG, Disney, and all of these big, huge brands. So you can see that this MindZumo is a really legitimate website, alright, and it is actually really, really good one, alright. So what you want to do is, first of all, you want to create your account, alright. It's completely free, it's very easy, so you just click over here in the top right corner on login and sign up, alright. You're going to click on don't have an account yet, and here you're just going to fill in all your details, alright, like your name, location, email address, blah blah blah. And then over here you have skills, creative marketing, technical skills, and what I recommend you to do and choose is the average proficiency, as this is going to give you the most chances of earning money. Then in these two questions, just answer pretty much whatever you want, as it doesn't really matter. Fill in these and then just click on these free ticks, and here is going to be user verification through captcha. Alright, so just fill it there. I'm not sure why it doesn't work here, and sign up. That's pretty much it. Alright, so now as you are inside of it, we are going to look into what we actually can choose. Alright, so here you have different challenges that you can choose from. Right, and as you can see, here is a question pretty much, and it's like a challenge. How will you convince consumers that self-driving cars are safe, for example, right? And you can earn different money, all right, different ways and different prices. As you can see, here is 1600, here is 800, lots of 800s. Then you have 1600, and it's even $10,000, all right. $1,000, $1,600 again is very popular one. So there are a lot of different ways, okay, and different prices that you can make money. So this is really, really good. Now I just chose this one. How would you convince consumers that self-driving cars are safe? And as you can see, this is how it looks from the inside. All right, it says top 30 people will share $800. Right, so as you can see over here we have reward tiers. So the first 10 winners will receive $50 each, and the rest 20 will receive $15 each. So it's not really like just one person wins, all right, the whole package, but it's more and more people are actually making money with this. So there is even bigger chance for you to actually earn money. Now guys, it might seem a little bit scary that you don't have the knowledge or anything, don't worry, don't get scared, all right? Stick with me. You're not going to actually have to bring and, you know, create some project or anything like that, okay? Don't freak out, stick with me, okay? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, and here is exactly where Google comes into play. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this whole title, and we're going to paste it into the Google, all right, over here. Now, as you can see, I've already searched this and looked into a few different articles, and here is one that I really like. It's a really good and huge article, all right, which I would bet that this would probably put me into the top 10 people, all right? However, you cannot just copy this article and paste it over there, okay? That's just, you know, copyright infringement, and you wouldn't probably earn anything, right? And you would probably get banned. So what you want to do is you want to copy this article into a Word document, all right? Just like this one. Okay, here we have it. And what we are going to do now is we are going to use our third website, and that one is called quillbot.com, all right? Quillbot.com is pretty much a free website that is going to rephrase, paraphrase, and rewrite the article that you want, all right? Completely for free. You don't have to pay for anything. If you create a free account, you're going to have more characters to rewrite, okay? So as you can see over here, the free account will allow you to rewrite only 700 characters, okay? So that's why the Word document comes into play, and you're just going to put in these, you know, small parts of it and rewrite it. Now guys, very important point over here is that this Quillbot, it is free, okay? It is actually a really good one, okay, to be honest, but it's still a bot, it's still AI, it's still, you know, some program that rephrase it, okay? So you do want to spend the time to check for spelling errors, all right? Check whether the sentence makes sense, all right? And you want to correct these mistakes. Yes, it is going to take some time, but it is well worth it, because that's pretty much the only work you are going to have to do, okay? So you want to do that, spend the time, it's well worth it. And then just put it into the Word document, put it into, let's say, PDF, and then upload it over here. Okay, and that's pretty much it. That's your all work. Now you can, as you can see in the Word document, let me just check, this is around 3 pages. So to rewrite this, it's going to maybe take you 20 minutes or even less, okay? So that's well worth the work. Now guys, what I suggest you to do is do as many challenges as you possibly can, all right? And that is going to give you the bigger chance of actually winning the prizes, all right? And making more and more money. As you can see, this is not going to give you, you know, $800 straight away, but there is a huge chance that you are going to get those $50, and $50 for, let's say, 15-20 minute work is really good, all right? So you want to do this as many as you can, and that's pretty much it, all right, guys? So guys, this is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you can see how you can make money with this excellent website. I challenge you to actually try it out and let me know in the comment section below what are your results with this, all right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me thumbs up if you liked the video. Again, let me know in the comment section below what are your results, and if you are again interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to know a little bit more about it, then I have a free video where I explain in great detail about how I earn profitable affiliate marketing, all right, how I run a profitable affiliate marketing business. So if you want that, just click on the link in the description below and you will get it completely for free. All right, so that's pretty much it guys for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye guys.